Hello everyone, welcome back to EHunt. In this video, I will introduce the new feature on EHunt, the keyword database. We will explain how to use the keyword database through 4 common seller dilemmas. If you're an Etsy seller, you know how important Etsy SEO is, so be sure not to miss this video. If you haven't subscribed to the EHunt YouTube channel yet, click the bottom right corner of the video to subscribe to us. If you haven't registered for an EHunt account yet, you can click on the homepage introduction or the video description link to register. Let's get started. Etsy has a complex search algorithm. An effective SEO will showcase our products to more potential customers, increase product exposure, and achieve more sales conversions. But how can this be done? This is where EHunt's keyword research tool comes into play. EHunt's keyword database allows you to understand important metrics that affect Etsy SEO. By analyzing these metrics and trends, you can significantly improve your Etsy SEO performance. First, let's understand what EHunt's keyword database is. EHunt is a tool specifically designed for Etsy sellers. It helps you find the most popular and relevant keywords to optimize your product titles and descriptions, attracting more potential buyers. The keyword database contains over 5,490,000 keywords and is updated daily. You can explore a vast array of keywords to find Etsy's most searched keywords. The keyword database list is sorted by total sales in the past month by default, making it a keyword ranking list. If you're unsure which keywords to use for your new product listings, you can explore the keyword database to find high sales, low competition keywords to use in your product listings to increase conversion rates. If your product has been listed for a long time but lacks exposure, you can also explore the keyword database for top Etsy keywords to use in your product listings to increase exposure. Additionally, you can explore long-tail words in the keyword database. Using long-tail keywords in your listings can bring more sales. The keyword database also shows trends for each keyword in Google Search Trends, Competition Trends, View Trends, Favorite Trends, Sales Trends, and Review Trends. By analyzing these trend data, we can identify seasonal or holiday keywords to increase exposure and traffic for our products. You can also compare and analyze multiple keywords' various metrics and trend data simultaneously to choose the most suitable keywords for your listing optimization. In EHunt's keyword database, you can see detailed information such as search volume, competition level, and related product data for various keywords. This data is very helpful for formulating effective SEO strategies. Next, let's see how to use this powerful tool. If you are a seller in the home and living category, and have just listed a new product but are unsure which keywords to use, there are 2 ways to find suitable keywords. The first way is to filter for high sales, low competition keywords in the keyword database. For example, I have filtered for keywords with low competition 0 to 10K and high total sales 10K to 500K. The resulting keyword list can be browsed to understand the meanings, various data points, and trends. You can choose some of these keywords to use in your product listings to improve conversion rates. For instance, the 5th keyword on the list, Dad Photo Visor Clip, is related to home and living, has a competition score of only 833, 21.4 million views, 854.3K favorites, and 452.7K sales. The score indicates the total views of the top 100 hot-selling products using this keyword divided by the competition level, then divided by 100. Therefore, the higher the score, the lower the competition and the higher the search volume. A higher score is better. Let's continue looking at this list. If we don't find particularly suitable keywords, or if no appropriate keywords are found, we can try the second method. You can also input keywords to search directly. For example, by searching home and living, you can find related keywords with high views and high sales but low competition. Alternatively, you can search directly for the products you are selling. For example, by searching candles, you can find relevant keywords with similar criteria. You can see the following results, such as gourmet candles, inspiring candles, ornamental candles. These keywords have relatively low competition, high sales, and high scores, making them good candidates to include in your listings. This concludes the introduction to the two methods for finding suitable keywords for your store and products using the keyword database in the first scenario. Next, I believe many sellers have experienced situations where their products have been listed for a long time but haven't attracted much traffic. They want to optimize their listings but don't know where to start. Let's optimize this situation together. In such cases, we can still filter for low competition, high sales keywords to view the keyword list. For example, I've filtered for keywords with competition levels of 1 to 10K and total sales of 10K to 500K without restricting whether they are long-tail keywords or not, which generates a keyword list. The top keywords are related to the clothing category, such as shirts. If your products or store are not related to the clothing category, we can continue to scroll down. Here, we can see keywords like everyday bag for you, naughty gift for boy, Everest gift art. These are keywords from different categories, with low competition, high sales, and high scores. They are high-quality keywords that can help increase traffic for products in various categories. We all know that long-tail keywords are usually phrases consisting of multiple words, characterized by their longer length. They have relatively lower search volumes, but also lower competition. The advantage of long-tail keywords is that they have more specific search intent, allowing you to more accurately target the needs of potential customers. So how can we find long-tail keywords to use in our listings? Let's take a look at how to find long-tail keywords. I filtered for keywords with competition levels of 0 to 10K, total sales of 10K to 500K, and selected yes for long-tail words. Based on these conditions, I obtained the filtered results. We found keywords like 70th birthday t-shirt, Motley Crue t-shirt, clucking design, teal quartz crystal. These keywords have low competition, high sales, high scores, and all show trends that are likely to continue rising. Regardless of the category of products you sell, you can find suitable and precise long-tail keywords in the keyword database to increase your product exposure. Next, let's explore the last scenario. Do you also find yourself unsure about which keywords are best and have the highest traffic for seasonal and holiday products? We all know that seasonal and holiday products have a low margin for error because they are time-sensitive and require you to seize the opportunity quickly. If the wrong keywords and listings are used, it can affect product exposure and indirectly impact sales, meaning you'll have to plan ahead for the next year. For exploring seasonal and holiday keywords, you can directly search for related terms and filter for competition levels of 0 to 10K and sales of 10K to 500K. For example, take the recent Father's Day. We can see that keywords like Father's Day boxer, Father's Day pop-up, and Father's DIY husband have relatively low competition, high total sales, and high scores. These keywords would be suitable for use. Let's take a look at seasonal keywords. By entering winter and filtering for competition levels of 0 to 10K and total sales of 10K to 500K, we can see the following query results. We can see that keywords like winter slide puns, winter pillowcases, winter trivia, and winter seats have relatively low competition, high sales, and high scores. If you are preparing to launch new products for winter, you might consider using these keywords and categories. For more keywords related to different seasons and holidays, you can use the same method to search directly in the keyword database. So, we've completed the introduction of our new feature, the keyword database, in these 4 scenarios. If you have any questions or ideas, feel free to discuss and ask in the comments. That concludes today's tutorial on using the EHunt keyword database. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to receive more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.